I decided to pack myself a yummy salad while I filmed. Oh my god. Okay, forget this video. Let's just watch me eat. Healthy, but still hungry. Probably gonna get some hot Cheetos after this. What's up? It's Nika with Fashion Nika, and today we are thrifting. We're thrifting at Forever 21, and before you say, what do you mean thrifting? Basically, Forever 21 is having their 65% off clearance sale. Their prices are so inexpensive that you're basically paying for like the same thing you would pay at like a Goodwill, or maybe even cheaper, because you can get things for like $1, $2, and Goodwill's like starting to escalate in price. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for you guys, so be sure to stick around at the end, and yeah, let's get on with this video.
And there she is in all her glory. Yep, right off the bat you can see extra 65% off. Alright, let's go thrifting. Cute. And I love the side slits. It's not something that I think I'd wear a lot.
Only $5. I don't know if I should get it because I already have ones that look exactly like this.
I found so much stuff. I'm just gonna try it on for you, whatever I buy. I feel like that's what you guys like better.
Alright, so the first item that I got was this bodysuit. It is just a simple black bodysuit. I am obsessed with it. I've been wearing it for a good hour, and so far it's covering my body, so that's all I could ask for from it. But yeah, I absolutely love how I can transition it from day to night, throw it on with a black pant, my little high-waist jean like I did here. It just acts as like a really good little cami, but absolutely loved it, and I got it for $1. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, so I'm just gonna grab freely. Next thing I got was this black long sleeve ruffle top. I'm absolutely obsessed with the ruffle. I thought it would be so cute with little black pants and a bunch of gold jewelry. I did get it for $4. I am obsessed with polka dots. Like seriously, I've been on the hunt for anything that has polka dots on it, and this has to be my favorite item so far. It is just like this cropped little top. You can wear it over the shoulder, or you could have it like so. I have been wearing it like this, but I tuck it in with these jeans that I'm wearing right now with a high waist. Oh my god, it's so cute with like a little straw hat. It's only $3, so like I don't know. I'm so happy with this find. Alright, this one is one of my favorites. It's a little sweater, and it has buttons going down one side of the V-neck. I would wear this with some denim, and I did style this in my $20 outfit challenge. It's my very last outfit, meaning it was one of my favorite outfits. I like to wear it off the shoulder. I wore it to a gym's event with the Canadian tuxedo, a denim jacket, and then a denim high waist jean, and it looked so cute. It's for sure gonna get a lot of use out of this because it's such a unique piece, especially at Forever 21. I was very surprised. So, and it was only $4, so you can't beat that. Not even the thrift store can beat that. Okay, well maybe the Goodwill outlet, but besides that, no other thrift store can really beat the prices. Next, I love this. It's literally just a short sleeve, a ribbed short sleeve. It's nice and stretchy. My absolute favorite part about it is the square neck. Square necks are very on trend right now. I've noticed on a lot of bloggers, on magazines, and it looks so cute with my mini like cat eye sunglasses that I always wear. And I thrifted this one for $2. Like I said, I am obsessed with polka dots, so I grabbed this. It's a very thin blouse, and it has buttons. I typically wear it either as a jacket or buttoned up. I styled it in when I went to the flower fields. I wore this outfit. It's so lightweight, so it's perfect for the summertime, and I got this one for $3. Now, I was like very hesitant on getting this, but I remember Ami Song wearing a dress that looked almost identical to this with like a red blazer and like her signature little bucket bag. It's just like this long red silky midi dress. I don't know how often I'm gonna wear it. Hit me up with some pointers, because I don't know, maybe I'll just wear it like this, you know, just with some sandals or something. I'm really gonna style it with my gold necklaces, and it was only $3, and yeah, I thought it would be good for the summer. So next, the next item that I got was, oh yeah! Sorry, it's not buttoned up, but it's just this button down cotton polka dot. I told you I'm obsessed with polka dots right now. I would style it with my black high-waist pant, a red lip, some black boots. Super cute, would wear it all the time. And I got this one for $3. Genuinely thought we were making a dent, but nope, not yet. So the next item I got were these pants. Obsessed with these. They are a denim blue high waist. I rolled it up because, you know, your girl is petite, so I can't really wear things that are like, it's so hard to find pants that fit me correctly, but these ones are amazing and they're nice and stretchy, so, you know, I could go to Supplantation, eat the buffet, and still have a food baby and like easily just like feel comfortable in these stretchy pants. But yeah, I love these. They were only $6, so why not? The next item that I got was this pink and white striped cotton button down. I fell in love with the color. I don't know why. I don't own anything pink, so I was really surprised that I was attracted to this, but I just love the striping on it. It's just so classic, and I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this for years, not just like have this be in style for like a season. That's why I really loved it. I would tuck it in with some boyfriend jeans, and I would wear it buttoned up or, you know, unbuttoned, tie it around my waist. There's so many things you can do with this one. And I got this one for $4. Next item that I got, you guys are probably gonna think like, what is this? I don't know. Because I was very hesitant, but I thought like, why not? Because it's something whimsical that I typically wouldn't grab, and that's what I really like. I like grabbing pieces that I typically wouldn't be into and then style it my way. I thought this was going to be more of like a piece that's going to be challenging to style, and I love being challenged. Striped, colorful, super colorful, like I don't wear color, but yeah, I thought I would style it with light denim jacket and then like my favorite laced up Oxford platform. I got this one for $3. I'm really into wearing these high waist jeans right now. I grab little camis to go with it just because I like to chuck them on during a hot day. So I grabbed this little pink dusty one. It was $1. And then I grabbed this silky blue. I just love the color. It says silver on the tag, but it looks powder blue to me, so I really don't know. It was $1. The next item is so whimsical. Striped blouse, and I like how the stripes are going horizontal on this side and then vertical on this side. It's definitely a statement piece. Throw it on with black denim and some ankle boots and you're good to go. It was only $3. I love thrifting at Forever 21. It is so much fun. This one is just a simple one. I'm not gonna really talk too much about it. It's just like a little sunflower summer dress, and I really like those summer dresses that you can just throw on and run out the door, like not really think about your outfit that day. But typically I wear this like on my day off. It's a little simple one, and I got this one for $3. The next piece that I grabbed is this polka dot midi skirt. I hope I'm not boring you with all my polka dot stuff because I'm so into it. Like definitely for that like modern girl. Oh, I would actually wear it with my bodysuit and throw this on, and then like maybe my straw boater hat. That would be a really cute summer look. Got it for $2, so yeah, and it's really nice quality. This is their contemporary line, a little bit nicer fabric. The next item I found was this yellow crop. Wear it with a high waist piece, easy. I'm not really into prints, that's why you don't really see much print besides the polka dots in this video. The reason I don't like prints is because it's harder to transition season after season as opposed to like a solid color. When I spend my money, I like to get something that I know I would wear a lot as opposed to just one time. But this one is so easy. It's only $1 as well, so I just thought I would totally just style this for, you know, one of my days off. Please don't hate me. This is my last polka dot item, I swear. Little black maxi skirt, and it has buttons going down all along. You are supposed to, I guess, wear it like with the buttons going down the middle, but I would style it with the buttons going down the side. This looks like very nice and summery and flowy and easy. That's all I'm about right now. Like those clothes that are just easy to throw on. I only got it for $5, so nice. I am obsessed with this one. It doesn't even look like Forever 21 to me. Tell me what you guys think, right? It has like a chain at the bottom all around, and it's just like an easy little crop top. I thought it was very edgy for Forever 21. Like it almost looks designer to me. Absolutely love how it hangs. This one was $4. So nice and stretchy. So this is gonna be so comfortable. I already love it. The next item that I got was this Silky sea foam green dress. I just thought it was very classic. Like I love that. I don't even know what this is called, like a scoop. I would wear it out to date night with some nude heels. I'm probably gonna ask my boyfriend if we can go somewhere nice this weekend so I can throw this on. And I got it for $2. And okay, it is a size large, but whatever. I like the way it fits, so who cares about size, right? This last item is one of my favorites because it is a set, and I am obsessed with sets because first off, you don't have to think about like what to wear with it because it already has like the matching top and bottom, but second, because it's black, so it's gonna go with everything. It is this little black mini, what are these called, skater skirts with matching black crop. Thought it was so cute. Gosh, I'd wear this shopping out with the girls, to brunch, throw on like a nice kimono, a denim jacket, some ankle boots, wear this to the clubs with a red lip, throw on a nude heel. There's so many different ways to style this, and that's why I grabbed it. But I did not grab it for me. I grabbed it for you guys. So this is the item that I'm going to be giving away, or I guess items. I'm going to add in more items into the winner's package because I want to, you know, show my appreciation for all of your guys' support. Rules are just, I guess, be subscribed to my channel. That would be amazing. And comment down below what you guys want to see from this channel because I'm trying to figure out if you guys like more like beauty, hauls, lookbooks. I'm just so confused. So it would really help me out if you guys commented like what you guys personally like to see. That's basically the rules. This giveaway will last for 1 week and I will be picking the winner down below in the comments at random, but I will be making sure that you are subscribed to me, so please be sure you are subscribed. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Anyways, thank you so much to you guys for watching. I totally appreciate it. If we're not friends already, subscribe to my channel so we can stay friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!